Deepak ji, I think it is a very progressive budget, and the government has provided relief to every section. I belongs to Himachal Pradesh, and I came to Delhi and start working with the TV industry. In the beginning, I was having only 2 employees, but today we have more than 70 employees.
Hello friends, today we have Mr. P.S. Satri, Managing Director of P.S. Satri and Company Private Limited, well-known CHA of custom clearance industry with us today. And how are you doing, Mr. P.S. Satri?
I'm fine, Deepak ji.
So,
Thank you very much for taking time.
No, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I just want to know how your journey started, and what is the history of your organization, and what is your educational background? How the thing started when you long time? It might be very long time back, I suppose.
Yeah. Deepak ji, I belongs to Himachal Pradesh,
Right.
and I came to Delhi and start working with the TV industry.
Mm-hmm.
They were manufacturing television sets.
Mm-hmm.
I did my graduation from Delhi University,
Mm-hmm.
and in the year of 1989,
Mm-hmm.
I applied for the custom broker license,
Okay.
and I appeared for the examination in 1990
Mm-hmm.
and got the permanent license in the year 1991.
Okay.
I started this company as a proprietorship company,
Right.
but in the year of 1998, I converted it to private limited company.
That's very nice.
In the beginning, I was having only 2 employees,
Mm-hmm.
but today we have more than 70 employees, and
So how much of amount you started your company?
it was only saving of my EPF,
Okay.
and only that was the capital with
Might be very meager amount.
very meager amount.
Okay. So now you have reached a landmark. I think you have reached a very big turnover.
Yeah, it
So
is.
it's a milestone
It
for you.
is a good turnover for as a custom broker,
Mm-hmm.
and we are serving to few big multinational companies,
Mm-hmm.
and we are providing world-class services to them. And
So you only deal in custom clearance, or you are dealing in freight forwarding also?
although I did freight forwarding also,
Mm-hmm.
but nowadays we are doing only custom clearance,
Okay.
and we are not
And
doing
through
freight
sea,
forwarding.
like it has custom clearances through air and sea both. I think you are dealing in both the customs clearance, or only sea?
Sir, we are doing custom clearance by air as well as sea also. In Delhi, by air, we are filing bill of entries around 150 bill of entries every day.
Acha. Quite a big figure, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
And as well as sea also, we are doing a good amount of import and export.
So where do you rank yourself, or where do you stand yourself in terms of quality of your services compared to some other players who are there in this industry?
As I have shown to you that I have been given certificates by the our customers, as well as customs also given as appreciation letters,
Okay.
and more than this, I have been awarded WCO certificate by the World Custom Organization
Okay.
through our Ministry of Finance.
So that's one of the, I think, big successful certifications.
Yeah, which is a
Well
big
known.
thing for as a custom broker.
How many employees do you have in your company as such?
As on today, these are more than 70 employees.
Okay. So how many of them you have retained for the last 5 to 7 years with the company basically?
Deepak ji, we retained even the first employee who I engaged in 1989.
Acha.
He is still with me, and more than 15 employees are there who are more than 25 years old.
So you might have done something extraordinary for them. That's why they are with you, or they are very happy with the. It seems they are very happy with the organization. That's why they are with you with the in the long journey of success. They are with you. So what steps have you taken that other organizations can also take to retain their employees?
I'm trying to provide them best things which everybody should do. Medical aims policies,
Okay, you provide
accidental policies, and even we have a trust with LIC for their gratuity, and EPF and ESI, etc., which the government is providing. We are awed by that also. Providing them a 2 months, 1 month bonus and 1 month their salaries as a ex gratia or something.
So it seems you are very
2
kind.
months salary we are giving every year extra to them.
So it seems you are very kind and compassionate towards your employees.
Yeah, they are the people who are making us successful.
They are running the
They
organization.
are running the organization. They are the
backbone.
people, those who are making us successful.
Yeah. Employees should be always happy.
Always.
According to me. So which are the products you are dealing in, or you're dealing all kind of products, or you're just dealing in some specialized products?
Sir, we are doing electronics as well as automobile
Right.
and the cigarette industry also.
Acha, the tobacco. Okay. So which are your esteemed clients which you have with you?
We are serving to Samsung, Sony, Honda cars,
Okay.
and Godfrey Phillips,
Okay.
and other also.
So recently we had a budget was introduced by Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, the Finance Minister of India. So what do you think are your views and our impact on your industry of budget?
Deepak, I think it is a very progressive budget, and the government has provided relief to every section,
Okay.
like farmers, youth, industry,
Acha.
and they have also given some relief to the electronic industry. Also, they have reduced custom duty
Acha.
on mobile phone and their major parts. And I hope the industry will also grow with this
So
budget.
it is a positive budget for your industry.
It is a positive budget.
It will help the industry grow more faster.
Yes.
So, what has been you have had a very successful long journey of 34 years, 35 years.
Yeah.
So, what was the best period in these years, in the 34 years, which you enjoyed the most, or any memorable period which you cannot forget?
Deepak ji, actually, I started this company in 1989, and in the beginning there was not very successful, but in the year 1995, I got big MNCs,
Right.
and I started with them, and I provided them world-class services,
Okay.
and without failure to this, their production never hampered, and they have given me this reward or award, whatever you can
Okay.
call, and they have given us a appreciation letters also.
So that period was
That was the
one of the
period where
lot of rewards came,
yeah,
and what was most memorable.
yeah, and which is financially also our company has taken up.
So, what is the vision and mission of this company? Where do you think you want to reach yourself in the next 5 years to come, or the sky is the limit?
Deepak ji, my company's vision and aim is to provide best services to our clients, and they should not be any time that without the want of components or material, their production should go on, and timely we have to give their material. And along with my staff, they are very dedicated people, and with them, I think we will succeed in providing this.
So you want to become the
services to them.
largest custom house agent of the country?
That is not my aim.
It's not
But
the aim.
yes,
Okay.
as I have told you that I have been appreciated by my clients also, and as well as our customs
As we can see a
department
lot of awards,
also.
the accolades and awards you have
Yeah.
won, I think. So you might have had a lot of appreciation certificates from them, I think.
Yes, sir. As I have told you that we are filing around average 150s bill of entries or consignments we are clearing from the air for Delhi airport. And I think which is the number one position there in the airport, that we are clearing so much of consignments every day.
So which are your esteemed clients? Can you name some 4-5 best clients of your organization which are with you for a long time?
My clients are ST Microelectronics,
Acha, STI.
to whom we are providing services from 1991.
Acha. Okay.
And Samsung, we are providing our services to them since 1995.
Okay.
And likely Honda cars are there. This corporate flips is also there, and so on.
Your major focus is on the electronics and the automobile sector.
Automobiles.
Two sectors.
Yes.
You have been working closely
Yes, sir.
for a long time.
Or capital goods for any industry, we are providing services for that.
Do you have any diversification plans to enter any other segment of this industry or any other thing?
We have started our warehousing also,
Acha.
and we are providing these services to our warehousing services.
To the same clients you might be offering the warehousing services.
We are offering to them also and others
To others
also.
also. Acha.
Yes,
So
sir.
this has been recently launched.
Yes, sir.
You're doing well in this sector, so growing.
Yeah, it's growing.
So what is the mantra of success? You have had a very successful journey of 35 years. So what do you think are the ingredients for success? Hard work, God's grace, or any other things like teamwork? Which factors do you think lead to success of the organization?
God's grace is always required. Without that, we cannot do anything.
True.
But honesty, hard work, and best technology-based services to be provided to our customers. Minimum human interference.
Right.
They should know their status of their consignments and other things. Which tracking, which we are providing to them.
Contemporary technologies you are having.
Yes, sir.
With the company basically.
Yes, sir. We have developed our own software.
Acha, own
And-
software.
Yes, sir.
Acha. So that helps in tracking the consignments.
Yes, sir.
They can get live tracking.
Yes, live
For
tracking.
the
We have
consignments.
given them one password.
Okay.
So the one customer cannot enter other customers' data.
So you provide end-to-end solution.
End-to-end solution we are providing.
Would you like to give any message to the youngsters who are looking for short-term success? They want to achieve success very in a short span of 4-5 years. So what is the message to the new youngsters who are looking for startups? And would you like to give any message to these people?
My message to the youngsters is that they should not run very fast, but they should they should take care of their technology-based services they should provide. Honesty is the second ingredients which can give them a success. Third, to take care of their employees also, those who are the main ingredients. If they are happy, then your company will be grow and nobody can stop them.
Thank you, Mr. P.S. Atri. Now I'd like to sign off with Mr. P.S. Atri in the intro of the month. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you are looking for custom clearance services in your area, do contact the leaders P.S. Atri and Company Private Limited on the details given. Thank you.